Well, go on, my people. So, one of the other artists that was interviewed this week by Winford Williams is TJ from Montego Bay. You know what I mean? And he's doing very well for himself and getting signed to Romiech record. You know what I mean? I saw it in the news. I don't know how major that is for him because that's just being in a next Jamaican, and I don't know if he really want to. That's going parallel to me. That's just from my perspective. But because he was doing good for himself, because he made a name for himself coming out of Montego Bay, and even the slang braffing, it's taken off. You know what I mean? Because when I first heard the word, it was from REGGAE King. Right in the ending part of REGGAE King video, he was saying that the girl should braff got my girl, braff. And she was doing it, you know what I mean? So I heard the word, and the word was taking off. Even Chronic Law have it in his song, and I like that song from Chronic Law. So I personally think that TJ was doing well for himself. He didn't need to be signed to Romiech. You know what I mean? However, Romiech is a good publishing, but I don't know how long these things are going to last, because we always see it in dancehall where we see people making a unit, and then for some reason everybody just go their separate ways. And I think TJ was doing very well for himself. That's just from my perspective. You know what I mean? But I personally think TJ was doing well for himself. But if Romiech can give him a helping hand, I endorse it. You know what I mean? I am not saying that Romiech is not a good publicist or a publishing or his production company is not right. I'm just saying TJ was doing well for himself because his career is now taking off. You know what I mean? And if you dig yourself out of the hole, then you can push yourself further, so to speak. So I think that he was doing good and he could have continued. But let's see where him and Romiech and Sensia and Ding Dong and all of them, where they take it to. You know what I mean? Because it's a good, I think it's a good group of people where their aim is just success, where less controversy, but they're just a good working team. But I don't think too much rat never dig a good hole, as my granny would say. You know what I mean? But let's see what's going to happen. You know what I mean? So big up to yourself, TJ, and big up to the whole Montego Bay. You know what I mean? Peace. I'm out.
Work in the country, you have to look on. And him do great works too, because even though him dey jail, him still be the champion DJ boy. And some boy will say them didn't want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winford Williams. Take me on that if you wish.